The jetting process is the simplest and safest way to clean your pipes without damaging them. Here at Reliable Basement and Drain, I take training very seriously. We do a lot of in-house training where we explain to our employees all the different processes. We give them on-the-job training as well. All of our top technicians are all certified in their different fields. Competent person training being one of them, excavation safety training, gas training, plumbing training, waterproofing. There's many different phases of training that we do here at Reliable Basement and Drain. We hold a state of Ohio plumbing license. The reason this is important to you is because we understand plumbing principles and water problems. The next time you have a waterproofing contractor out to give you a quote, ask them, do you hold this license? With the video inspection equipment, we can pinpoint the location of the pipes, the depth of the pipes, the condition of the pipes, and a lot of times even the size of the pipes. This gives us a lot of valuable information that a lot of our competitors do not use.